This video is really only for administrators, but wanted you to understand what goes on behind the scenes. And that is that every installation of ReplicAItor Coach is installed using a simple shortcode. The shortcode is simply AI_coach. Now, the reality is that shortcode has several different parameters. So you can see, for example, that we have a single installation of our demo site, which has lots of different coaches in there so that we can demo different things all on the same site. At the same time, there is a completely separate installation, but utilizing the same code base called the lead generation demo. And the lead generation demo uses the same short code, but with a different mode involved. So when we click on it, you can see that this now has a single coach that is in lead gen mode. So here are the short codes that are used to do this. The basic short code is just AI coach, and most installations, that's what they will have because a single coach or coaching focus area is going to be established. For example, we might have a site with a baseball team, and so we just use AI coach. And even if we have a pitching coach and a batting coach and a fielding coach, they're all going to be shown by default. We can include a mode argument. So in this case, we would say mode equals sports, and then we would list optionally what the coaches are. So we could list all of the coaches that are relevant to a sports coach. We could also have a mode of consultant, and this would be like for a business consultant, and we could list a single coach or coaches related to the consultant mode. And finally, as we just showed you with the lead generation mode, this is the exact short code that is used on the AI or on the demo site is AI_coach mode equals lead_gen, and the coach, single coach, even though the parameter is coaches equals Greg Jameson. So when we look at that, we have the single coach of Greg Jameson. It is in lead gen mode, and that is how we can actually utilize the basic short code to create different instances of a similar ReplicAItor coach on the same site.